Moving along to the coloring part of our ice cream cone project, you should have written on the back side of your paper our warm colors, red, orange, yellow, pink, our cool colors, purple, blue, green, gray, and the colors that we can use for either one of our ice cream cones are the brown, black, and the white. Now we're using pastels, so the color is going to be very, very vibrant on these pastels. You're not going to have to press down super hard, but you do want to color nice and neatly and really fill in all of these spaces. You also want to color very, very slowly and do your best work. Think about our craftsmanship and our craftsmanship poster that we have. You want to get to that 3 on the craftsmanship as far as filling it in and being nice and neat and intentional. Now I'm coloring my ice cream cone red. And so you are going to be coloring one cone with all warm colors, and you can also add the either colors, and one cone with all cool colors. So since I'm starting this ice cream cone with red, do you think this is going to be a warm cone or a cool cone? You're right if you said warm cone. So this is going to be one of my warm cones. Now it's going to be a little strange because I'm not going to make my cherry red. All my colors are going to be a little off and a little different. But remember, when looking at Andy Warhol's work, his colors were not normal. So we don't need to keep our colors normal. I'm going to go ahead and make that cherry orange. And that works because that's still a warm color. I'm even going to make my ice cream cone with the orange. Now I'm going to do something kind of cool in my ice cream cone. Since I've given my ice cream cone kind of that little grid pattern, since it's a waffle cone, I'm filling in those little squares or those little rectangles, and I'm leaving just a tiny little space kind of near that pencil line and taking the time and the care to fill this in. I just think that looks really cool to have that extra little space, because if I color straight over my pencil lines, then you're not going to be able to see that cool little pattern or the waffle pattern in my cone. Now my background, I'm going to go with pink because that's also a warm color. Now I could use one of my either colors too. And notice I'm peeling this back just a little bit, and that's fine. Just make sure you throw any extra paper away. And I'm going to leave a little bit of space around my cone. I just think that looks nice. You don't have to do that. Okay, moving over now to my other cone. I want this to be a cool cone, and so I'm going to go with my cool colors. So I'm actually making my cherry blue. That's kind of weird. I like it. Moving on to some other cool colors. I think I might make my ice cream green. Going down to my cone, I'm going to start to fill in those little individual squares and rectangles. In my background, I think I'm going to make a darker blue. Now I could choose one of the either colors as well, so I could choose a white or a brown or a black too, but I'm going to choose this kind of dark navy blue. It might be a little hard for you to see, but in person you'll be able to see this really well. All right, and artists, that's that. Have fun with this project and really take your time, do your very best work, because this is going to be one of our choices for the art show. Thank you.